We'll guide you through how to transfer a YouTube channel to another Google or Gmail account. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube. So for whatever reason you wish to go and transfer your YouTube channel to a different Google and Gmail account, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Perhaps you primarily use a different Google or Gmail account and so you want to go and be on there, or perhaps you're giving it to a friend who's going to be running the channel. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this full guide, as there are some important notes that you need to go and find out throughout. So don't skip anything and let's get right into this. So to get started, come to YouTube, and what you need to do is go and head to the top right and go and sign in if you aren't already. You can see I am because you can see my profile icon. When you go and click here we are. Now what you need to do is go and press switch account and make sure you go and switch to the account you want to go and transfer. Now what you need to do is go and press your profile icon in the top right like so. And you want to go down and you can go and press YouTube Studio like this. Then you'll be brought to this page here. You've been here before so you can go and manage your channel, and now you need to head to the bottom left and you can go and find the option for settings. And in here you want to go over to the left and find the option for channel. Then at the top you can press advanced settings. Scroll all the way down and you can go and find the option for manage YouTube account, and you can go and tap there, and now this will go and open up like so. Now what we need to do is come down here. You need to locate the option for channel managers. If this is missing, don't worry. What you need to do is you need to come into view advanced settings like so, and then what you need to do is you need to come down here and you'll see an option about moving the channel to a brand account. So it will need to be a brand account in order to go and transfer and move it to a different account. So make sure you click that and follow through the instructions. The content and things are going to be moved over. That's essential. If you don't do that, you can't go and continue, as we're going to be using the channel managers feature in order to go and transfer it. So do keep watching. So after you've gone and moved to a brand account, what you can do is come back here and you should go and see the option for channel managers. So here we can then go and press add or remove managers like so. You're going to be brought to this page here. And what you're going to need to do is go and press manage permissions. You probably be prompted to sign in, as you can see here. So let me go and enter in my password now. Press next after you've entered it and it will go and load. Be patient. In this case, I need to go and confirm it. So let me do that now. I've now completed that and we can press manage permissions again. So here we are. Now in this case, I've got some other accounts here. For you, there won't be. I've just done this already. Now what you need to do is go to the top right and you'll see these people icon with a little plus, which you can tap on. And now we can go and invite people here. So you need to go and add the email address for the account you want to go and transfer it to. So I'm going to go and type that in now, which is going to be robtuckercontent@gmail.com. Then go and select it here, and then you can go and choose a role. So in this case, we need to go and select owner like this. Then you can go and press invite like so. It's now saying inviting users, and they've now been successfully invited, as you can see, invited. For now, you can go and press done. Now, if this is yours, you need to go and switch to the Google account you want to go and move it to. If it's somebody else, you need to go and get them to go and check their emails. So I'm doing it on this one here. So what I'll do here is open up a new tab and I'll come to Gmail. The email will go and look like this. As you can see, they've been invited to go and own this channel. So we can then go down and you can go and press accept invitation. Be patient. And as you can see, it then says become an owner of the channel name. You'll see the account. If you're sure, you can then go and press accept like so. And now it's been accepted. So now what we can do, we need to go back to where the account currently is on the primary account. Or if this is somebody else, you'll need to go and get the original person to go back. This page will need to go and be refreshed like so. And then we can go and press manage permissions again. And as you can see, it's gone from invited to just owner. So then what you need to do is go and find the person you want to do this with and go and click on where it says owner, and they need to be primary owner. And that will then give up the main ownership and they'll be able to go and manage it. So we can do that now. So we can press owner and select primary owner. Now, as you can see here, it says make Rob Tucker the primary owner of the channel. As the primary owner, they can add or delete other owners or managers. So we can go and remove the others, change account permissions, including yours, delete the account. If you're sure, press transfer. Now, it's important to note, primary ownership can only be transferred to a user who's been a manager for more than 7 days. So you will need to go and wait for that. Just to show you as an example, I'll go and do it to another account because they've already been an owner for more than 7 days. So I can select that, confirm my decision by pressing transfer, and the ownership's now been transferred. So this account is now the primary owner. So now that the primary owner has been transferred, what you can do is if you want to, you can actually go and remove yourself by pressing remove. and you can then go and remove yourself, or the other new primary owner can now go and remove you. I'll just remove myself in this case, and that's it. So you've now successfully gone and transferred it. If you found this useful and want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads more guides like this on the channel and more to come. So I look forward to help you again in the future with more great useful guides like this.